In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off notifications on ChatGPT app. If you'd like a quieter experience while using ChatGPT, adjusting your notification settings is a simple way to reduce interruptions. Whether you prefer fewer alerts while you're working or simply want more control over which notifications you receive, this tutorial will guide you through the process from start to finish. We'll begin on the Windows desktop. Move your cursor to the Windows search bar and type ChatGPT to locate the application. Once it appears in the search results, click on it to open the app. After a brief moment, the ChatGPT interface will load, displaying the main conversation screen along with the navigation sidebar on the left. Next, move your cursor to the bottom left corner of the application window where your profile icon is located. Click on your profile to open the account menu. This menu contains several options for managing your account and personal preferences. From the list, select Settings to open the application's Settings panel. The Settings window will appear in the center of the screen, and it usually opens on the General tab by default. In the left-hand sidebar, locate the Notifications section and click on it. This page contains all of the available notification preferences that you can customize according to your needs. Starting at the top of the list, locate the Codex notification option and switch the Push Notification setting to Off. Next, move to the Group Chats category and turn its notification setting off as well. Continue to the Marketing section. If both email and push notifications are enabled, turn off the email option first, followed by the push option. This disables promotional notifications from the application. Next, find the Projects category. Open its notification options and switch off both email and push notifications. After that, locate the Responses category and turn off its push notifications. Continue to the Tasks section. Open the available options and disable both push and email notifications. Once you've finished making these changes, scroll back to the top of the Notifications page and review each category. Confirm that notifications for Codex, Group Chats, Marketing, Personalized Tips, Projects, Responses, Tasks, and Usage are all turned off. After verifying your settings, move to the upper left corner of the Settings panel and click the Close icon. You'll return to the main ChatGPT interface, and your updated notification preferences will be saved automatically. That's all there is to it. You've successfully turned off notifications in the ChatGPT app, giving you greater control over when and how you're notified while using the application. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,